KG. I am going to say monkey and veg story. One day monkey planned to build a temple. He called several carpenters. One day in his garden, so many monkeys playing. After one monkey noticed the carpenter. Carpenter busy in his work. One carpenter said to another carpenter, I am hungry, let's go for it. And that carpenter said to that carpenter, my work is not done. And that carpenter have one flower ready. He takes this vessel, places the center the wood, and went for lunch. Monkey came down and started to play. And one curious monkey wants to take that vessel. She can't take that vessel. And she sat on the wood and take the vessel. Suddenly that vessel came up and monkey still stuck in the wood. Monkey shouted, every monkey ran out.